What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to T3G. My name is Dalibor. This is Tech Monday. Today, we're doing something a little different. Usually we do reviews, we do maybe how-tos. I mean, I guess this kind of falls under how-to. You know what? Let's run the intro. Come on. Now, if you've been around for a while, you know that we like to get the most life out of our devices that we possibly can. And today, we're definitely going to be doing that with the Honor 6X. This is Hodge's phone. The back camera glass has been damaged. The camera seems to be undamaged. It just seems to have just kind of pushed it in. It's all cracked, but you know, it's buy a new phone, which admittedly with an Honor, you know, you're buying a new one. What do you say, 250? 150 for the 6X. So the 8X, which is 2 generations newer, would be 250. So still not a huge deal to like buy a new one, but you know, like I said, we're gonna get the most life as we can out of it. So we went ahead and ordered the replacement glass for this for about $6, and we're gonna go ahead and install that. Let's do it. So here we are with the broken phone. You can see here, hopefully pretty clearly. And this is our new replacement piece.
Listen, sir, I'm gonna need you to wear white gloves, and I need a very dust-free.
Oh, you're not gonna find that here. I have dogs. Pretty straightforward. So it's gonna go this way.
Yeah, and the camera doesn't look damaged. When I turn on the camera, it looks like it's just trying to see through all those cracks. So
now, why I have a kit of knives, I couldn't possibly answer that question.
But I guess it's good that you do.
But it works out. Yeah, I don't remember why I bought it, but I have it. So a lot of this is just gonna be a matter of precision. This is gonna be a lot of pieces flying around. So with this, you gotta make sure that you get all the little pieces, otherwise
it's gonna be under the screen.
The replacement's gonna just not gonna stick on properly. All the little bits of glue. All right, so we're not gonna use this directly on the device. There we go. Very, very slight amount, just to get the excess glue. Don't want too much on there. I mean, take a second-hand look here, just to get a second set of eyes.
Yeah, it looks like I lucked out. Camera didn't get damaged in any way. Everything looks good. A little bit more here. I'm super happy that I didn't crush the camera along with the cover.
All right. Oh, that's nice of them. It's nice of them to give us 2 layers here.
Look at that. It's like it never happened.
Look at this.
It's like it never happened.
Look at this.
Shattered lens screen? What? No, I don't know what you're talking about. Never happened.
Look at this. Just apply a little pressure, make sure it's on there. I'm gonna give you the pleasure of peeling off the final layer there.
That's always fun, isn't it? Oh yeah.
Look
at that. What happened?
What did we even do this video about? Your phone's fine.
My phone's fine. It's like, I don't know why I came to you.
And we'll even record the finale here off the phone, proving that it's working perfectly fine. This just goes to show, with 20 minutes, a razor blade, and some Goo Gone, you can fix stuff like this. This is basic repair. It doesn't take a lot of effort. It doesn't take a lot of energy. It doesn't take a lot of skills, and you save yourself $150 at least. I mean, let's say best case scenario, $50 at a repair shop. For $6, $5-6 on eBay, you can't beat this. You can't beat this. We'll link down below for this specific model, and then of course you could always search eBay to check out for your specific model. And I'll find even this kit. This is a good kit to have. It's come in handy a couple times. I literally don't remember what the original reason that I bought it was, but I have it, so it's useful. That's gonna be it for this one. Thank you for watching. Make sure you come back Wednesday. We are finally going to be doing that app spotlight on VirtualBox, so that's happening. It's coming. We'll see you in the next one.